Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your AT&T Internet Air, sometimes called the All-Fi Hub. Okay, let's get started. First things first, you'll need the Smart Home Manager app. This app controls and walks you through the entire setup process. Download and install the Smart Home Manager from the App Store if you're on iPhone or from Google Play if you're on Android. You can also visit at.com/shm or scan the QR code that came in your printed setup guide. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in using your AT&T account. If you don't have one yet, tap Set up new service and follow the prompts. Next, the app will ask you to scan the QR code printed on the bottom of your All-Fi Hub. Just use your phone's camera to do that. It'll automatically detect the device. After scanning, tap Let's Begin and then Get Started inside the app. From here, the Smart Home Manager will guide you through every step automatically. The app will help you connect your All-Fi Hub, choose the best spot for signal, activate your device, and test your internet speeds. Everything is done directly from your phone. No extra cables or manual setup needed. Once the setup finishes, you'll see a success screen confirming your connection. You can then manage your Wi-Fi name, password, and connected devices right inside the Smart Home Manager app. And that's it. That's how you install your AT&T Internet Air. Simple, wireless, and ready to go. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next guide for more quick tech tips.